In this video, you are going to see how to merge two Word file in Microsoft Word document. Here in this folder, I have two Word file, the Excel description. Here is the one Word file, and here I have another Word file, the USA economy report. I want to combine them. So let us open a blank Microsoft Word document. Go to Insert, go to Object, go to Text from File. Let us choose that folder where I have the Word file. Let us choose this one and click on Insert, and you will see I have merged two Word file very easily. Here is the first one, the Excel report, and let us go to the down from here, the economy of United States. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.